Happy holidays, everyone. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I thought I'd do a handbag reveal that I've ordered that was on the Black Friday sale. And it's from Rebecca Minkoff. So I wanted to open this and show it to you. So let's get it open right now. I'm so excited to share this with you. It's definitely something I've never had before. Just gonna take off the package, and I should take out the label because I should tell you the proper name of this bag that I got. So if you're interested, the one that I got is on sale and they're probably all sold out. But when it comes to Rebecca Minkoff, when she knows something is good, she's going to continue to make it. There'll just be different options of colors. And I kind of wish I got something more of a bright color, but I thought this is such a neutral color. It's on sale. I really can't go wrong. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is a reminder to let me know it's a final sale, so probably not eligible for return. Oh well, so one is called, she's called Perla. Okay, and the other one's called Marina. I think the Marina one is going to be quite obvious. And the Marina one, I will show you quickly, very, very fast. So it's a wallet, very tiny wallet. And the reason why it's so tiny is I find since the pandemic started, and even with age, I don't need to carry a lot of stuff. And I'm probably going to get a whole bunch of small, tiny wallets and separate all the cards that I need and categorize them. And I'm not even sure if I got the absolute last one. And I got a little card that indicate how to take care of it. And it says style is yin yang stud. So I'm just going to show that to you, but I doubt you'll be able to see and read that. So I'm just going to open it right now. It looks like it's genuine leather, and they had a little bit cushion on this little decorative part to protect it, and this is it. So we'll put that down there. This is it, and it has 1, 2, 3, 6 card holders front and back, and that's enough. And then there's a little part in the middle. I'm not too sure if I'm going to use that or even to put paper money in there. Because I'm wondering if it will stretch it out and loosen it up, but we'll see. But so I'm really glad that I got a smaller wallet than I normally do. I'm really happy to get this, and this will come in handy. In fact, I'll probably be using this in all my other bags and get rid of my other Marc Jacob wallet, but we'll see. Okay, I got a little pamphlet. Goodbye harsh ingredients, hello beautiful hair color. And this came from the box of Rebecca Minkoff. How interesting. 15% off. It's interesting. Wasn't expecting that. Okay, so we're just going to take out the other bag that I just purchased. And we're just going to rip it open. Exciting! And here it is. At least I think it is, but can't see it. I mean, on the website it showed the measurements, but sometimes it's hard to imagine it until you actually see it. And because I couldn't do any shopping at all because we're in a lockdown, I was forced to order from the website. So here we go. This is called a wallet bag on a chain, or a wallet on a chain. It's color gray, and I forgot the name that they actually call it. Let me find out for you. This color is called Perla. You would think Perla would be more of a cream color, but no, it's like a heather gray. And really nice. I'm dying to check out the strap because I am only 5'1", and certain handbags would not suit me. And it's mainly due to the strap. It depends how you carry it, but let me see, back up a bit. Oh yeah, it's really long. But it will do like this, and if I wear extra sweater, this will be fine. So I knew I was taking that risk. So let me take the strap off, and I don't know how. Do I just rip it off? You're probably like, hurry, let's see it. Ah, it's great. I might cut out here just to shorten the time here. Okay, here's the strap, and it doesn't look like I can shorten it anymore. And I'm just gonna open it up. I knew it would be magnetic, and this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna remove, so there's no way I can make the straps any shorter, which is unfortunate. And I'm gonna grab my scissors and cut it off. I just cut off the protection here, and I know there's no way I can make this any shorter, which is unfortunate, but that's okay. So I'm just going to remove the cover, and it looks like, oh, I can unclip this. Look at that. I didn't know that because I watched some other Rebecca Minkoff reveal, and they said this is not removed, but you can unclip this. So I can take the protective cover here and rip that off, throw that there, and this is it. So you can unclip it. Can you use it as a keychain? Probably not. And there you go, just clip it back on to put it back on. And note, this one has Rebecca Minkoff on the hardware, so if you're shopping on a different website and you're wondering if you are getting the authenticated Rebecca Minkoff, it will have engraved Rebecca Minkoff here. And actually you're going to be reading it from this way, so just so you know, the top curve, it would say Rebecca Minkoff. On the back, it has a small metal label stating Rebecca Minkoff. There's a back pocket in here, right in here, and it's hard to spread it open. And just opening it up, I'm just going to take out these things and these. I doubt I'm going to keep the stuffing. I'm going to be using it a lot. And oh wow, even the card holders have little cardboard in there to separate, so you can see it even a lot better in here. And there's something else in there. So in here they have card holders, and you cannot visually see it because they used cardboard inserts, so you're able to see it. And it has 6 holders. Sorry about that, my household family is here and you can hear some background noise. So what I was saying earlier is that inside here they inserted cardboard slots for each card holder, so you can see a lot better inside. And this is it. So there's 6 holders, and then there's one large slip, which I imagine you would be putting your paper money in there. So that's fantastic. And inside here it indicates the name, Rebecca Minkoff. And this is what I love about Rebecca Minkoff. She's not about logo, having her RM all over the place. And basically when you're out there, you're just basically showing off a name brand. And then of course there's a zipper in the middle, and let me slide it open, and it's a thin pocket. You could fit change in here or other things, so that's good. And then of course there's this one, it's kind of thin back here, and then over here it's a little bit wider. And let me give you a view of this side so you could see. So in the middle here is the zipper compartment. It has enough to expand more at the front, but I don't think you can make it too thick because you have to make sure the magnetic closure will close up. And I find the magnetic is not as strong as my Gabby satchel that I have from Rebecca Minkoff. So, but the way the strap is attached is very different. All the weight is not on the actual folder or the opening of the bag, but it's attached to the whole bag. Oh, I just took that off. It's a leather strap here to unzip, plastic zipper, and yes, I'm looking forward to using this. It's called Edie Wallet on a Chain, color perla, love it. And yeah, you definitely would not be able to fit your sunglasses. Hold on a second, I'm gonna grab my sunglasses. So I grabbed a couple of my sunglasses, and this one is a plastic version. It's very wide and big, so I'm just gonna stick that in. Oh, there's another plastic, little cardboard covering there. And in fact, it does fit, no issue. A little bit of a bulge on the side here, but can you really tell? And my intention is to use this when I do my errands. So this would be perfect, hands-free. It feels sturdy enough if anyone wanted to yank it off me, it would still stay on there. The strap is a button type of thing, but it seems very strong and secure. So I'm really happy. So I hope you really enjoy this reveal. I hope you have one or something similar from Rebecca Minkoff. It feels so soft and incredibly so nice and soft, and it's perfect for what I need it for. So that's it. I'm so happy to share this with you. Leave a comment below and let me know, what do you think about it? Do you own any Rebecca Minkoff handbags or wallets? What do you think of it? How long did it last you? How old it is? And that sort of thing. So thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. Take care and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye.